Alright guys, so this is going to be how to get your large dog, like Moose, he's 80 pounds, up in your rooftop tent. So I'm going to put everything up real quick and get this started. So what I've got set up over here, I'll get it changed here in a minute, is a 4-foot lifetime table. And then I'm going to move my table and put the ladder on top of it from there. So, lifetime table, 4 foot. We're gonna put the ladder on there, and then we're gonna put the traction boards onto the ladder. Definitely recommend strapping them down. They will slide. Yeah, that's good. And basically, we're gonna get Moose up here and guide him into try that again. Up. Good boy. Get him. Get him. Get him. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, and look. And look. Hey, come on. Come here. No, here. There you have it. So his paws are wet. He's been playing out here in the snow and ice, but fairly easy. So fairly simple setup. 4-foot lifetime table. It's set on the second setting, and then just traction boards. They're cinch strapped down, so he gets good traction. He doesn't like coming out as easy as he likes going up, but I do hang on to him as much as I can. So he goes up, comes back down, and I don't have to pick up an 80-pound dog, which is pretty good for my back. Global Roads Aegis 1 tent, love it. Super fast to set up and take down, and Moose and I can get up there and fairly easy. The only bad part really is getting him out in the mornings, because then I set this back up to where I can get in and out in the middle of the night without having to step on this table. So, any questions, leave me a comment, and we'll get that taken care of. Thanks for watching.